Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find technological books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar, tap to the third button, the Discover. And in the Browse All section, you can find the fifth row, the Technology and Engineering. Tap that. And here you can find different books, you can find the category section, you can find different topics, for example, agriculture, construction, and others. You can check the books, you can save it for later, you can check the ratings, and you can find a short description. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.